Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. #Make the Move 411 Durham is a spacious 2-story home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage located in the gated community of Braemar in Apollo Beach. This is the popular Stafford floor plan by Taylor Morrison with 2,033 square feet of living space, including a large downstairs primary suite with 2 walk-in closets, dual sinks, a jetted garden tub, and a separate shower. As you enter the home, you're welcomed by a formal dining room filled with natural light. The living room features high ceilings and flows into the kitchen, which has wood cabinets, a pantry, a sunny breakfast nook, and a newer stainless gas stove installed in 2022. Upstairs you'll find 3 more bedrooms and a full bath with double sinks. This home is move-in ready with updated flooring, 2019, a new roof, deck 2021, a new HVAC system, October 2022, and fresh paint throughout. The large backyard has mature shade trees, a patio plus an irrigation system. Braemar is a quiet, gated neighborhood with a community pool and playground. It's also in a high and dry location that stayed clear of flooding during recent hurricanes. Just minutes from shopping, restaurants, parks, and beaches with easy access to Tampa, Bradenton, and Sarasota. No CDD and low HOA fees. Come see this one for yourself, you'll be glad you did. The community's location in the South Shore area means you're just a short drive away from local beaches, parks, shopping, and dining.